It is time for the package from China. What's up, people? It's time for a portable system review. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video it's time for a new portable system from our friends from China. And this one is What's Up. I just like to say it this way, it's just SUP or SUP. Nevertheless, this is another 8-bit system. It's an invasion of these things, and I just picked it up because I wanted to show you what's inside this box. Let's see what does it says. It's not a 400, it's not a 300. What version does it is? I have really no clue. Alright, what's inside this box? Let's see. Alright, let's do a little bit of an overview. What comes within this little package? We're having an AV out cable. It's a little bit short and flimsy, but yeah, you can use this thing on AV out. A micro USB cable for charging. We're having here a deluxe toilet paper manual from China. Yep, with some basic explanations. Nobody reads it. And we have an extra controller. Feels very light, very cheap. Wow. And we're having here the system itself. Alright, this is the brand SUP. What's up? And the D-pad feels nice. Oh, that's weird. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the buttons are very low here, so not very comfortable playing. I'm very curious how they're going to respond. Reset, select, start. Here at the top we're finding power, micro USB for charging, AV out. Here at the left we're finding the volume control. And here at the back we're having old school Nokia battery. That's all, folks. Let's check out what kind of games do we have. Stay tuned. Alright, this is the first menu I have seen with this funky tune. Alright, let's choose English. By the way, this is more like that knockoff cheap Chinese portable system. So this means every time you boot it up, you need to choose your freaking language. Well, it starts very great. We're having already... Wait, I'm going to zoom in. That's better. We're going to have a lot of homebrew games already. Yep, we have a Mario 14. 400 games. Do you believe it? I don't. So let's do a little scroll through the list. I see some good games. I see some homebrew games. I see a lot of crappy games. So I can already tell you, spoiler alert, this is not the best collection I have seen. So we're getting at the, wait, Exopod New, Exopod War, alright. So we're going to get to the point that there are a lot of crappy games on it. So 400 games, let's say there are even 400 games, but there are not 400 AAA titles. Oh wait, here we see Super Mario already. Oh yeah, it's repeating. Alright. It's the hack version. How loud can it go? Oh, this is the loudest it can go. Alright. Why are the AB... Okay. It's missing the sound effects, like all these things. Oh, this D-pad is horrible. Yep, missing the sound effects. What you already can see, there are not big details on the character itself, so this is what you're going to get with these cheap knockoff systems. Oh, the D-pad, it's... Wow! Wait! Look at this! Oh wait, I'm pressing the turbo button. Ow. Ow. Ow! I'm getting used to the D-pad now. Turbo button! Alright, need to press it this way. Oh yeah, the turtles are pretty pissed after all these whooping their asses on all the Mario games. They're freaking attacking me. Doing some kaikaze. They keep coming. It's a freaking invasion. Leave me alone. Next test, let's test out the second controller. Does it work? Ah, it works. I can select 2 players. Alright. And it works indeed. Oh, and it just died already. Oh, this is freaking horrible. What? Where did I die from? So the 2-player setting, or the 2-player setup works. So that is something that we tested out. But the controller itself is horrible. Horrible! So for the final conclusion about the sub 3-inch 400 2-player portable system. Whew, that was a mouthful. But I am not very pleased about it. If you look at, let's say, overall all the system I've checked out, for example the FCA 168 in one, less games, better games, and the D-pad was way better. So in overall, I must say, it's a little bit disappointing. The sub version, this one, even the controller, second controller is really horrible. And the game collection, there are some good games of course, but a lot of homebrew and a lot of crappy games and even some repeat. So yeah, that concludes this video. Let me know what you think of this, really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, I also have a gaming channel. Bye bye.